I have been using GoPro for many, many years now, and my latest GoPro, which my darling wife bought me, and I felt really bad about this, my wife bought me a GoPro 10, Hero 10 Black. It does 4K, blah, 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 blah. GoPro used to be the pinnacle in camera technology or action camera technology as far as I'm concerned, but they've lost their way. Anything from a GoPro 9, it appears, and I've done a fair bit of research on this, has problems. Sure enough, mine had problems. Not only did it freeze up occasionally when filming 4K resolution video, I want to give you the best quality video I can, so I film in 4K, and it would freeze up. And to the point where you actually had to remove the battery and reset it by doing that. And even then it would still freeze up again within a few more minutes. That got frustrating to the point where I actually, when I was filming the last episode of The Gates, it kept failing completely, turning off, not even turning on sometimes. And so I had to revert back to my old GoPro 7 or 8, which is a good little camera, no problems with it. Doesn't quite have the same features and functions, and gave pretty good footage. But I basically got jack of this Hero 10, and again, because it was a present for my wife, I felt a bit bad about this, but I decided that I was going to upgrade it. So I did a lot of research, and what I'm using currently, what you're actually watching this footage being recorded from, that was really complicated, is a DJI, Chinese, yeah I know, Osmo Action 4. And I am super impressed. Has all of the same functions as the GoPro. In fact, has been compared to the GoPro 13, to 3 more iterations from the GoPro 10, which I had. The 13 has problems as well, and it basically is better than the 13 for a cheaper price. There is actually an upgrade already. There's a new Osmo 5 Pro out. I looked at it. The extra features that it has, slightly better in low light, etc. Don't really shoot in low light very often, but it was double the price of this. And this came in at around about $380. Just checked the current price during editing, and they're now down to $329. Now, GoPros aren't cheap. The GoPro 13, I think, is up around $560 or something like that at the moment. So I had enough of GoPro. I've done with them, and I've now gone to DJI Osmo Action 4. And you will also notice I've changed, or may have noticed, I've changed microphones. And again, GoPro were really stupid when it came to microphones. To use a lapel microphone or a lavalier microphone on a GoPro, you had to actually buy another case for the outside of the GoPro, which gave you a plug to plug it into. And then if you wanted to do it with transmitting, you had to use a third party, because GoPro don't make their own transmitting mic. So I used a Rode, very good Rode lavalier and transmitting mic, but it was a cumbersome arrangement. DJI have once again smashed the market here. This tiny little transmitter was like $65, and it directly links up with the camera, and it goes for like 150 meters or something or other, which I'll never do. I think the sound quality is very good. I think it's as good as the Rode system, which I can use my Rode system on as well with the camera. It actually plugs in to a USB-C into the camera, but again, it's unwieldy. So when I found this for $65, I went, that's so easy. Tiny magnetic clip. Sorry if that made a noise, but really, really pleased. So for $450 odd, I've got a completely new action cam vlogging setup, which had I have gone to a GoPro 13, which still has problems, would have been closer to $600, and still would have been unwieldy with the external microphone, receiver, all that crap. This is so much easier. This is going to be great for when we go on holidays and when I'm shooting outside and whatever. So give me some feedback. Did you notice the change in video? I'm shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second, I think, at the moment. Did you notice the change? Is it better? Is it the same? How's the sound? Give me some feedback. Please give me some comments. They make a huge difference. I love reading all the comments that people write in, and plus it also helps this weird YouTube algorithm and helps promote my videos. So please leave me a comment if you think it's great. Awesome. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Anyway, that's it for this week. Happy Friday, and we'll see you maybe next week. Cheers.